Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Can I help you?
I'm going to
Yeah, meter to Pune. Okay, straight then left and take the elevator. Level 4.
level 4.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Level 4.
Okay.
It's absolutely mental. But I just don't want to text anybody at all and just look stupid again.
This is it.
Yeah, this the one.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's for vehicles. And when you book it, can you do a look big and a little for me? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what I want. I don't know. I don't know. I just feel like I'm squishing. I'm just going to squish them all into 2 small cars tonight. We don't fit, and Mark's going to be like, "What's happened here?" And everyone's going to say, "Oh, I didn't ask for it." And I didn't mean it like that.
Last, DJ, rear left, last. DJ, yes.
Maybe you can show me how to It's time to talk about one of FIFA's great campaigns running through this FIFA World Cup. Today's match is proudly dedicated to the Football Unites the World campaign. Football brings together a celebration of unity and passion, and a game we love so much. Everyone is doing great and through themselves. Long may the beauty
Ini. Lu ngapain lama amat di bawah?
Keliling stadion gua.
Eh?
Keliling stadion.
Di stadion. Chris.
Join me in being a part of the winning team during the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022.
Hati-hati.
Respect your love.